well over 100 years, Porsche has been playing with what?
4x4.
Four-wheel drive. So when Porsche became part of Audi, all their tech on four-wheel drive went where? To Audi. So now you want to know what? Now the other thing is that Audi is a true 4x4 system, where X drive is an all-wheel drive system. Now let me ask you another question: has BMW ever been banned from international competition for having an unfair advantage? The answer to that is no. You know who has? Audi.
What we doing, Mr. Mahmood? Damn, it's a manual too?
Yeah.
That shit is a manual? He got the big boy snap on. You about to drive that shit? You gonna drive it?
You see the problem, Justin? Everything, that's the problem.
This is general.
This is collision now.
Damn, snap on deck. 12 volts.
12 volts.
Good job.
Yeah. It's kind of low, right?
Yeah, a little
Supposed to
bit.
be 12.6.
Little,
What if let me show you something.
little above.
You're gonna love this. What's brake fluid made out of?
Oil?
TG. Yeah.
Damn. Oh wow. Negative. What is it doing?
Why is there voltage in my brake fluid?
That's not supposed to happen.
And that's a lot of voltage in my brake fluid.
Yeah, that's not supposed to happen.
Yeah, but you know what? If you have a quarter of a millivolt, that's one thing. Or sorry, 250 millivolts, that's one thing. We got almost 400 millivolts in my brake fluid. What do you think that's telling me?
Somewhere needs to be grounded.
How about my brake fluid bad?
You said the brake fluid was bad?
Oh, it's bad?
How do I
nothing in there.
You'll have electric. You already had electrical class, right?
No, no.
Oh, okay, so fine. So I'm gonna.
They did, yeah.
You had electrical already? How do I make batteries? Yo, you assholes may want to hear this. It has what? We're not talking about an EV battery. We're talking about a battery. How do I make a battery?
With acid.
Battery acid?
Acid.
Mm-hmm.
Acid and what?
No, I was just watching Dr. Stone.
Oh,
Battery
did
acid.
Roosevelt tell us this?
This guy.
No, I'm serious. They tell you it's battery acid and then it's
Can I make a battery out of a lemon?
Yes. Citrus.
I have a whole bunch of different metals all inside my braking system. So the fact that I have almost a half a volt,
That's not good.
that tells me right off the bat that my brake fluid is toast. Would that work in the cooling system too, you think?
maybe.
Why? Because antifreeze is still glycol. You learn something new every day. And it literally just took me how long to check the brake fluid?
Like 5 seconds. What's the fix?
Not even.
No fluid. Yeah,
They
wow.
do sell these fancy little paper like litmus
Swabs,
strips,
right? The
You
swab.
gotta put it in and then read.
and you gotta wait for it to react with the chemicals on it.
That's a fact. That's the OG strap.
So one of them would be just try to replace the brake fluid and see if that works.
Well, that would be one thing with trying to solve this problem. Doesn't matter on these whether I go what,
You see?
Red
or black,
Yeah.
because there really is no power and ground when it comes to a DVOM. I'm getting a what? 0.4. If I go this way, I'm getting a
0.4.
0.4, but one is positive and one is negative. It just depends on which way I set it up. Right? 0.4 is still way too much voltage for my braking system. The higher the acid level in a braking system, what starts to break down?
The brake line and the brake hoses.
Right? Because now you do what? Now you get the money for a brake flush. Right. We also have
What we about to do?
You said just clean the terminals off. I say they're like. It said 10 right here.
needs a minute.
Impossible. You're not fitting it in there. That gap is not happening unless you do. Oh. Yes, it is. I got you.
That should be good. It's just loosening it up.
Oh,
Get it
Got
up
enough,
and all.
got enough what you call
Oh,
you got enough corrosion on
Oh.
the thing?
Still?
Yes, it is. You just gotta be a man
Loosen
about
that
it.
shit so
Come
much.
on,
Come on, twist it.
you should be good.
Just pull it up.
Twist, side to side, and lift at the same time.
But don't touch the other battery terminal.
Or I'm gonna blow up.
Just make it.
Literally.
Damn. Shit look like cotton.
Hold it like you mean it. Look at all of that. Ew.
That look like that shit Walter White was.
You gotta worry about the blue, but also worry about getting the freaking get that blue terminal itself silver, not dark gray. Where's that rag?
Oh, right there.
We here for a good time, not a long time.
Master cylinder.
Let me look at the schedule.
Pressure sensor output.
Cylinder. Pressure sensor?
Use this.
Oh,
Pressure sensor output.
Yeah, so you need a pressure sensor. Wow. Wow.
is that a good wow or a bad wow?
Wow.
Is it a new engine? Do we need to replace the whole transmission?
Yeah, well, you gotta.
So, I know. Yeah, but maybe I like both. These ain't my class either. This Rosenfeld's class.
I'm hitting. Why you hitting? What's your class?
I don't have one this one.
I actually hate that one.
Yo. No way.
Hey, Greg, put that elbow grease.
Christ, how the fuck does he drive this thing? He's shorter than I am.
He like to lean back. Come on now.
Dude, lean back. I can barely get my goddamn foot onto the clutch, the bottom of the clutch pedal. Look at this.
Damn. Literally.
I'm literally straight leg.
Legs all the way straight. He got his.
He's shorter than I am by like probably 6 or 7
He definitely sits up in that seat.
Leaning back crazy. Like these.
When I see like my old shit do that shit, I don't
Yeah.
have.
Nah, I can't do that.
No way. I'm not even comfortable sitting like.
I'm the type I like to feel me. I don't like to feel like I'm. Yes, sir. Have a good weekend. Yes, sir. Now, nigga, not gonna stop saying that shit. Have a good weekend.
Yeah.
My fault. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend.